This question comes at the budget constraints from a different angle. We still want to do the same thing, we still want to graph the budget constraint, but we're missing a piece of information at the start. But we don't know what income is, we don't know what the budget line looks like exactly, but we do know this. We're told that the consumer picks the bundle 1014. Okay, so this is the bundle that maximizes the utility, and the bundle that maximizes his utility has to lie on his budget curve, right? So we know that twice times 10 plus 4 times 14 is equal to income, okay? So we know that this bundle has to satisfy the budget constraint. He buys this, he picks this, so it has to be a point where his indifference curve, or his highest indifference curve, is tangent to the budget line. So it follows that this has to be on the budget line, and it follows that this has to hold, okay? So this is really just saying pxx plus pyy equals income, okay? So normally we know income when we try and find the intercept straight away, but here we have to recover income given that we know what a point on the budget line. So that means that 20 plus 56 is equal to income, so it's multiplying out, which means that income is equal to 76. So now that we know that, we can go and find the intercepts, okay? So we know that this intercept up here is the point where x equals 0. So at x equal to 0, 2 times 0, 2 times x, plus 4 times y, whatever y is going to be, is equal to 76. Which means that 4y is equal to 76, or y is equal to 19. Okay, so we've now got our vertical intercept up here, 19. Now we just need to find the horizontal intercept. Well, whatever it is down here is going to be a point where y is equal to 0. So at y equal to 0, we know that twice x plus 4 times 0 is equal to 76. So that means that x, or twice x is equal to 76, x is equal to 38. Okay? So now that we know our intercepts, and we know it's a straight line relationship, or do we know, or are we told? Let's just assume it's a straight line relationship because we're not told of any buy one get one free offers. We know that we just have to link up these 2 points, preferably with a straight line that passes through the bundle we marked out as optimal. So that's the best way to do this. So kill off that and that. So I'm not a particularly good artist, but you get the idea. So we know our budget constraint, what it looks like. We also want the slope of this. So the slope of this is just y2, which is 0, minus y1, which is 19, all over x2, which is 38, minus x1, which is 0, which is equal to minus 2, I hope. Sorry, minus a half. Okay, so minus 19 over 38 is minus a half.